What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Tech Biz View unveiled the Y500 series and I am going to discuss it in detail of features and specifications. The smartphone will get power from the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset with the addition of an octa-core CPU to boost performance. There is a AMOLED touchscreen display with large 6.7 inches screen size that can easily support the 2.4K resolution. Also, you will get the highest refresh rate of 120Hz. Smartphone supports 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. Smartphone has a dual camera sensor with a bright LED flashlight, delivering a brilliant photography experience. You don't need to worry about the battery life. It is packed with an 8200 mAh battery with fast charging support. Phone will run on Android 15 operating system. Vivo wants to capture the market by launching the Y500 series. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.